Hello, my name is Michelle Dickerson, and today I'd like to share with you how you can do a share screen with Zoom and show a video. So whether you're doing a training or a presentation, I'd like to show you how this can be done easily. Now be aware that different devices, different programs, different software updates, they may all have a slight variation. If there might be an extra step for you, there might be a difference between Windows and Apple. So desktops, laptops, your cell phone, they all might have just a little bit of a difference, but I want to show you the foundation of how it works so then you are able to practice it for your business. So the first thing that you will do is decide which video it is that you're wanting to share. You can pull from any source, videos from Facebook's, Facebook Lives, YouTube's, Vimeo's, any social device that you're able to open up on your computer. You can do the share screen because we're going to see whatever it is that you have open on your computer. So for today's example, I want to share with you something that we are using several times and we'll be using so much as we are running into the 40 days and 40 nights. It is our presentation, and I've chosen the most basic example of using the Facebook Lives that have been recorded so you can mirror with your prospects, with your team, and see whose presentation best fits the opportunity that you are wanting to share. So the step one is logging into your Zoom. Once you are logged in, I am going to go ahead and minimize my screen, and I have selected this Facebook Live that was done about a week ago. So you can see we have the comments over here on the right hand side, and we do not want that, so we want to go ahead and do full screen. So you're going to click on the arrows and make it's a full screen on your device, and I've already have it set down here at the bottom. You'll see it says a minute 18 because I want to skip the countdown since I'm actually doing this as a host on a Zoom. So now that I have full screen and it's set to the right time, I'm ready to go. All I have to do is hit play. I'm going to go back up here to where my Zoom is minimized and click on that green arrow and open the screen back up, and there we are. So now I will scroll down here to the bottom of my screen. It's a green button that says share screen. We'll be able to click on that. Now you're going to see several options here. You'll see a desktop, or this one says screen. You do not want to choose that if at all possible. I've spoken with others that this is the only choice, and if that is the only choice, you'll just have to take some extra precautions with your notifications and your text. As they will show on the screen, as will the chat box when you open up the chat box. So if at all possible, if you have these other options, this is what we want to do. So you'll see it says my iPhone, I have Skype as a tab on my computer, but here is the Facebook that's already pulled up and ready to go. It might say YouTube, it might be your Vimeo, whatever it is that the source is, you're going to select that, and you can see it's highlighted in blue now. But the two most important things for videos, unlike PowerPoints or other slide presentations, you have these two boxes that you do want to have checked. At the bottom, it says share computer sound and optimize screen sharing for your video clip. Those do need to be checked in order to have sound from the presentation or the video that you have selected. Then you will take your cursor over here to the right, click on share, and now you have a full screen of your share screen of your video ready to go. Now you're simply just going to click on your screen, move your cursor out of the way, and your presentation is ready to go. And you'll see your admin bar down here at the bottom. If you hover over it, you can pop it back up. And you'll see stop share screen, so you are definitely sharing your screen. Now the tip I have for ending your video, once we get to the end of what it is that we're sharing, the most important thing to do is click on your video to actually end it. If you tap anywhere on the screen, you don't have to tap on the pause button. If you tap on the screen, it will pause your video, and then you can say stop share. Because otherwise, if it's traditionally with Facebook and Vimeo, they will actually keep rolling into the next video that might be in the prompts. So you don't want to have your video to have to go back down in there and disrupt the flow of your Zoom in order to go stop the video, because you don't have any control really of what's going to be rolling in the background. So when you finish your presentation video, or whatever video it might be that you're accessing, just make sure, just tap on the screen, pause it, then you can hit the stop share screen. And now you have completed sharing a video through your Zoom. So I hope this helps you be an efficient, independent travel business owner and being able to run these videos through your Zoom. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know. Reach out to your upline, your sponsor, other presenters on your team, and just let them know if you find any glitches. And if you need help and you get stuck somewhere, just reach back out. So you have a blessed day. Hope this helps. Take care.